Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the chair is safe. Test brakes, inspect tires, and secure footrests. This prevents sudden movement. Once done, set seat height so your hips are level with the transfer surface and move footplates out of the way. Make sure armrests are adjusted for support. Lock the chair and rotate casters slightly forward to create a stable base. These first actions reduce risk and set up a controlled transfer. Start with stability before attempting to move. Once positioned, execute the transfer with deliberate technique. Tuck your chin, lean forward, and shift weight from buttocks to feet while sliding or pivoting. Make sure one hand grips the transfer surface or board and the other stabilizes the chair. When propelling, use smooth, even strokes. Keep elbows close to reduce shoulder strain and push the rims from roughly 10 to 2. If using uneven terrain, take slower. Shorter pushes and shift body, weight slightly back to maintain balance and control. Finish each move by placing feet fully on footplates and re-engaging brakes. This prevents rolling when stationary. When crossing thresholds, approach at an angle and lift the front casters. On ramps, climb forward and descend backward, keeping weight centered. If you encounter resistance or get stuck, stop and lock the chair, lean forward to shift weight, and try small rocking motions to free the wheels. If that fails, call for help. These final steps lock in safety and give you a clear troubleshooting action.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.